Welcome to the Stellar Steakhouse for French Kitchen. Today I'm with Dustin from Macallan.
Hi Denvers.
Hello.
Thank you.
How are you?
For inviting me. I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
Today we're gonna make kind of Japanese sandwich, the Kobe Katsu Wagyu sandwich with the kabichiku beef. Just okay. You can see the marbling. You can see?
Yes.
The marbling is inside, it's very nice. The fat inside is very juicy, very tasty.
Alright, so
This one is
the Macallan double cask 12.
okay.
I suppose this one you made
I make the toast bread here with this one. It gives me a little bit more flavor when we're gonna taste the beef, the flavor of the whiskey. So
how do you make it with that?
we replace the water by the whiskey. Okay, and the milk and so on by the whiskey and then
Replace the water?
Yes, yeah. And then you pour the flavor of the whiskey gonna go inside the toast bread. And then you make more flavor with the dishes.
You know what? Because it has vanilla in the double cask.
Yeah.
So I suppose that's how you have the similar kind of texture or flavor when you do the
bread.
toast.
Yeah, exactly. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Let's enjoy.
Yes. Heavy portion. But I love the fat.
So Dustin, how's the sandwich?
I love the Wagyu, but next time I will cut more thin so the fat would not choke me.
Okay, for sure. I'm gonna rectify all these kind of things for the next wine whiskey dinner on the 25th.
I love the sauce.
You love the sauce?
Things, yeah.
Okay, you can take away from it if you want.
And then we'll meet each other again next time.
For sure.
Yeah.
For the whiskey dinner.
Yeah, on the 25th
Yeah.
of July. I can't wait to get more food from you.
Oh, of course.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
And see you again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Au revoir.